Hello everyone. In this video, I am replacing the battery inside this control box of the Medicool Pro Power 35K drill because when it is not plugged in, it doesn't run, or it would just run for a few minutes and then it stops. But when it is plugged in, it will run. And then when it's unplugged, it's just not gonna run for a long time. That means the battery inside doesn't hold a charge anymore. So I am replacing it with this battery. So let's unplug the cable. In the back, the screws are underneath these rubber feet. They can just be picked off with the fingernails. The screwdriver I'm using is a Phillips screwdriver. It's medium size. So the cover is loose now, but there is a cable that's still attached to this RPM display. Unlike the 25K, it doesn't have that cable. So the 35K has that RPM display cable. So you just flip that to the side like that. And the battery is exposed and it can be changed right now. But I'm just gonna unplug this cable. It's not too hard. So this battery has one cable and one connector. Go ahead and undo that. And the battery will just come off. Let's see, 11.1 volt, 11.1 volt, 2.6 amp, 2600 milliamp, the same, 12.6 volt, 12.6 volt charging voltage. The connector is the same. This battery has a little foam in the back, so when it's inside, it's not moving around. And the connector goes back. The RPM display cable. Now the top cover, we just flip over. Go ahead and do the rear, and then goes to the front. Now the 4 screw. The rubber feet goes back on. Okay, let's test it out. Reverse. In charging. Unplug. So now it's gonna keep running on the battery power. Not like this one. Alright, so this drill is fixed. The rubber feet fall off. There we go. So next video, I'm gonna be replacing the ball bearing inside here because this thing still runs, but it's super noisy. Maybe the bearing is just really worn or it's been dropped, but hope to see you on the next video to do this project. Thank you for watching.